Welcome to Grade 2 Multiplication, where numbers come alive and math becomes meaningful, visual, and fun. Glowing star. This video is specially designed for young learners who are beginning their multiplication journey. Instead of rote learning, we focus on conceptual understanding, helping children see why multiplication works and how it connects to real life. We begin by introducing multiplication as repeated addition. Children learn that multiplication is simply adding the same number again and again. For example, instead of adding 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, we show how this can be written as 4 times 3. This approach helps learners transition smoothly from addition to multiplication, building on concepts they already know and feel confident with. Next, we move to equal groups, one of the most important Grade 2 strategies. Through clear visuals and everyday examples, like groups of apples, toys, or pencils, children understand that multiplication is about making groups with the same number of items. This strategy strengthens logical thinking and lays a strong foundation for word problems they will encounter in higher grades. One of the highlights of this video is multiplication using arrays. Arrays are a powerful visual model where numbers are arranged